Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. If you are new to this channel, I do review smart home products as well as travel vlogs and Tesla accessories. And for today's video, I'm reviewing a really awesome company that you will pleasantly be surprised. It's called Singlet. So Singlet did reach out to me about a few products that they have that they would like me to review on this channel, and I've had the option to test this out for the past week, and I must say that I was pleasantly surprised with the actual quality as well as the integration into a smart home. Singlet makes great accessories for smart home integration, including light bulbs that has Bluetooth and Thread compatibility for control, lightning strips, which is pretty awesome, as well as smart plugs and a variety of other stuff. Today's video, I'm reviewing three of their newest product that is going to be on sale for Cyber Monday. So I'll have the link below, and if you buy one of these products through the link, there is also a fantastic coupon code for you to take advantage of. So the first product that I review, and it's pretty standard, and I think every smart home that must have one of these products, and that is a smart plug. And this is the smart plug from Singlet. Very basic design, has a long base, has the logo of Singlet on it, and what's cool, it works with Alexa as well as it has Bluetooth mesh control, which is pretty awesome to have. You can even, and I actually haven't seen this on a lot of smart plug, but you can even track the energy usage for that smart plug. So if you have, let's say, a blow dryer plugged into your smart plug, and you're using the blow dryer, the app will actually tell you how much energy was used from the blow dryer on the smart plug. Also, the smart plug is pretty amazing for automation. You can create schedules on the smart plug. You can even have like different triggers or shortcuts set up in Apple HomeKit for the smart plug, which is awesome. And also, I just like that when you buy one, you get two inside, so it's a pretty good deal, 2-for-1 deal. And I do like the design is pretty simple design, so you definitely don't have a lot of trouble in terms of connecting this to your outlet. It doesn't block other access to the outlet, so I do like that it's not too clunky. And this is really cool. I really love this here, so definitely check out Singlet. I have a link below for the smart plug. The next up on the list is something it's hard for me to display, but I do have it set up in my kitchen here, and this is the Singlet smart lights. So these are the equivalent to 60-watt light. They're A19 multicolor light bulb, really affordable. You can buy these here from, let's say, Philip Hughes, but they're so expensive. And Singlet does have the smart bulb for far less, 50% cheaper than you would get with the Philip Hughes. And there's some unique feature that this offer that you will not find on the Philip Hughes. This has Bluetooth mesh compatibility, multicolored, and it also has Thread compatibility. Also, one thing that's amazing about this here, you actually don't need a hub. You do not need a hub to control the smart bulb, so it's hubless, which is awesome. And the colors are just fantastic. Like the million colors that you can choose from in the app, and you can have like schedule created from those colors, which is pretty cool. I do find the colors much brighter when you change it, and you have the control for the brightness of each of those specific colors. So huge fan, highly recommend these light bulbs. Like I said, these are far cheaper than what you'd find with Philip Hughes. So really encourage everyone to check this out. I think this is very affordable to purchase, and it's a nice way to transform your entire home and have smart control over each one of the light bulb. Again, it does tell you the energy usage of the light bulb, which is fantastic, and these things will last forever. And it's an all-in-one. You do not need a hub. It's hubless, so you just take the light bulb, screw it in, and it's ready to go, which is pretty cool. And the next up on the list here is probably one of the most shocking surprise I've had with Singlet product, and that is the multicolor light strip. So it's these light strip right here. What I love about this here is not only does it work with Alexa, and it has mesh Bluetooth compatibility, it's the control module is very simple, easy to use. It has the adhesive at the back, but the brightness of the multicolor is really fantastic. I think you can find that in very expensive product, but with this singlet, it's 1800 lumens. So each one of the colors on the light strip is just popped. It's just brighter and more colorful, and you do have that microcosm control of the colors, which is amazing. Also, what's nice about it, everything is included in a box. So most of these light strip that you buy that you might want to try, usually you have to buy the power outlet separate. This comes with a power outlet and the controller, and again, no hub required, so you don't need to purchase any hub to run this here, which is very awesome. With it, with this light bulb being light strip integrated with Alexa, you can have Alexa control the colors, so you don't actually need to use the module, which is pretty cool. And what I love about it is that and this goes with all the singlet product I've tried. Once you plug this in and you provide power to it, it has a really awesome feature of locating the singlet compatible device. So once you plug it in, it's on. Singlet has the discovery mode where it discovers all the device automatically that is compatible with it, and it's easy for you to control. These light strips look really cool in cupboards, under the chair, under the bed. They're actually, I think they're must-have. It's just that they're so cheap to buy, and right now, the Boxing Day and Cyber Monday deal, you must pick this up. It's really affordable and very easy way to start into making the best smart home integration. So definitely want to throw that out there. But I'm really big fan of singlets. So pleasantly surprised. I know there's a lot of companies there competing in this space, but Singlet did a really good job at just creating a simple product that you don't have to purchase any other add-ons. You just plug it in, it works, and it's already smart right out of the box. So really highly recommend. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. Really great Christmas presents too if you're looking for presents that is under $40. And also, if you have someone that's a big fan of smart home, it'll be something that you can purchase for them to try out. And check the coupon code down in the description. There's a great deal. You're almost getting it pretty much no cost. So take advantage of that coupon code in the description below. It's only valid until Cyber Monday. And I want to say thank you to Singlet for sending me this product to try. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out my other videos here on smart home. And I have more videos coming out in the future on smart home as I completely redesign my smart home system that I have here. I'll be bringing more of these great companies and products on this channel. We'll see you on the next video.